Yes, this is for the SP500 using EVIEWS. We want to look at the random drifts, also test for the correlogram. So we are learning both, not we are learning theories, but also the practices. For this case is for the EVIEWS. We automatically comes to I have all SP500 data, the price. So you can look at the dates. My informations are can be displayed by selecting all the information up as an object. So we don't want to see it as a graph. It's a group. Make it okay. So now we can see the information, the table. Changes, closing, dates. We already have dates. But what we are going to focus is an opening price, essentially. And obviously we need to come to check for, we need just to come to check the opening price. So our opening price, we go to view and then look at our graph. And then for the first case of looking at the random walk, the drifts. This is my random walk. You can see that it's possible to highlight, it's possible to look at the price, the opening price, in different way from January to December, and the price is changing differently. It's changing differently with different meaning. So which means that my random walk with drift or intersects has also the trend. So the trend is negative. So drifts, I can say, we can say that the expected x or the expected price of 5x XP500 is its mean is different from 0 because it has different mean. And the variance of the opening price of SP500 is different from a constant sigma. That's how we can observe and then interpret. Now, what the points? Essentially, we are coming to view menu bar within the same work file, within the same series, view and pop out to the correlogram. Obviously, we'll be having a dialog box we'll be using at level. All things remain in that level. We have automatically 36 lag, and then we just pop OK. Now we are having both. Partial correlation. Yes, we're having both partial correlation. So, and even also the autocorrelation one. So this is my AR with P, and as we move from lag 1 to lag 2 to lag 3 to lag 4, there is a decrease, a gradual decrease, because as my price today of SP500 is being explained by price of yesterday with the biggest effect, with the biggest contribution, but plus yesterday, the day before yesterday, it will be with less impact to affect today's price. So that's why it is declaring for the second lag, third lag is decreasing. The effort to contribute to today's price of SP500 is very small, and the change the change which is between here, those changes are what we can see as partial correlogram. You can see the changes are within 95%, but here the origin, none which is within 95% confidence. Thank you.